Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm on to do the last week of June's savings challenges today, and I've got £140 here. That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And I'm so glad that I've changed up the savings challenges. I'm doing them on alternate weeks now because it makes it more interesting, and also I can spread the money a bit further to put in the different challenges. I'm going to start with June today. Let's just get the colours out. The yellow. And that is going to be £15. Each icon is 5. And I've coloured outside the lines. What a mess. So that's 15, and that's all done for another month. I will be putting in the July the next time round. And then what am I doing? I'm going to tackle the knockout 9 today and see. That's what I mean when I say I can spread the money around the different challenges. I will do 2 blacks today. And get the pens out. I can't even remember what colours I used for. Let's use these 2. No, I won't use those 2. I will use this one again because I want to cross them out, and then I'll just use pink. I'll just use this pink. So let's start with this row. Right, that's a 2 and a 4, that's 6. That's 9, 10, 11, 12. So we do 9 and 3. That's good. And we've got a 6 and 2, so that's 8. And 6 and 4, that's 10. What have we got here? Oh no. 7. No, I can't do it. That's 4 and 5 is 9. No, I'm out. I'm out. So that's 7, add 5, add 4, add 2, add 1. That's £19. Yeah, can't do a 10. No, because I crossed out the 3, otherwise I could have done the 7 and 3. Never mind, never mind. That's 19, and I'll just give it 20 there, and let's just do another. Shall I do another? I don't know what to do. No, I'm gonna leave it. That's it. We've done 19. That's good enough. If I have some extra once the other challenges are done, I'll see, but right now I'm leaving it. I just don't want to get involved with this knockout 9. £20 was perfect anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to this binder, and also, so I'll be chopping and changing the binders, but it doesn't matter, does it? It really doesn't. Let's get to 100, and I'd like to do these 3 rows. So that's 15. That's 3 rows. Not 3 rows, just just 3 circles, which is £15. So it's not bad. I've done 2 rows so far and 1 more row going down. That's not bad. That's good. I'm glad. So that's that. And then 5 Little Pigs and When Pigs Fly. So I'm going to do £5 for When Pigs Fly, and let's colour that in. That's £5, and then I've got 20 to do for 5 Little Pigs. So that's done. Right, so I'll just put the 20 in for that. There we go. And that's that. Not doing any roll the dice, double the savings challenges. And the next one is the 52 weeks. 52 weeks. I'm gonna do 10. I'll do 10 for that. And let's see what we've got for the Save 2023 in 2023. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 45, 50, 55. Let's do 55 in here, because I would like to do another one by the ending of the year, but I don't know. So what did I say? 55, so that's 35 and 20. 35. It was 55, wasn't it? That's 40. Yeah. 35, and I'll do 20. There we go. And that is that. I did borrow someone £100 out of this, and I know I'm going to get it back to put back, so I've just got an IOU there so I don't forget. Right, that is that. That is my savings challenges all done and dusted for another week, and I'm very, very glad that I decided to swap around, change up things. Sometimes it's a change is good as a rest. So at least the Knockout 9 got something this week. I am not venturing to start the Shut the Boxes yet. I need to finish the Knockout 9 first. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.